Welcome to the How to Install video for your SimpliSafe wireless outdoor security camera. It's simple to set up in just minutes. Before getting started, download the SimpliSafe app from the App Store. Okay, now you're ready to get going. First, make sure your battery is fully charged. Plug the battery into an outlet using the included cable and a USB power adapter. The second LED light on the battery will flash when the battery is charging. The battery is fully charged when all three lights are illuminated. This takes about 5 hours. Then, insert the battery into the camera and twist the cap back on. You'll hear a confirmation tone letting you know that your battery is inserted correctly. For the next steps, make sure your base station is connected to your Wi-Fi and that your base station is up to date with the latest firmware. You can check this on your keypad. Okay, now to continue. Make sure you're near your base station and Wi-Fi router. Now go to the app and click on Add New Camera. Follow the instructions in the app until you reach this screen. Press the Setup button on the back of the camera. The base station will give you a voice alert that the camera has been added to the system. Then, the app will ask you to name the camera. After successfully connecting to the camera, the app will allow you to view the live video. For optimum performance, place your camera 6 to 8 feet high and angle it about 30 degrees down. Note, if your camera works indoors but not outdoors, you may need a Wi-Fi extender. You can install the camera in the normal direction or upside down, but please note that the motion detection feature will be impacted if it is installed upside down. The camera can detect motion within 30 feet if it's in the upright position. If you mount your camera upside down, it will detect motion within 15 feet. If you're installing the camera near a tree, make sure that there won't be moving things like a tree branch, as it may trigger motion detection. Now that you've found the perfect location for the camera, it's time to mount it. First, for wood or vinyl walls, twist off the cap on the bottom of the dome and use a handheld screwdriver to screw the cap directly to the wall using the self-tapping screws. For brick, stucco, or tile, pre-drill 2 holes into your wall using a 7/64 inch drill bit and use the included wall anchors. Then twist the dome back onto the cap. You'll note a stop when you hear it click into place. The dome is magnetic, so just pop your camera on top and it'll snap into place. Voila! Your camera is installed. Now just twist left and right to adjust the angle.